Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can transfer your contacts from your Android phone to your Gmail account. So how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end and let's find out. First thing you need to do is to go to the contacts on your phone. So once you are on the contacts application, you need to tap on the three lines here. So once you tap on that one, from there you need to tap on manage contacts. From here you need to tap on move contacts. So you need to select where to move your contacts from. So guys, if you want to transfer the contacts from your phone, you need to select phone, and from here if you want specific one you can select it one by one, but if you want to select all contacts you need to just tap on that one, and then from here done. So now select where to move these contacts to. So you need to select the Google account that you want to transfer it to. So here are the three accounts of mine, so I want to transfer it here. So I will select that Google account and then tap on move. So guys, it will take some time. As you can see, it is exporting here and you can see the progress in here. So when it will be completed, so all the contacts will move from your phone to your Gmail account. So guys, this is how you can transfer your contacts from your Android phone to your Gmail account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.